Hello everyone, this time is the Portrait of Pirates Nami Mugiwara version 2. So let's have a look at the box. This is the front, side, the back, the other side, the top, and the bottom. So let me just get the box open. Alright, first things, here is a Portrait of Pirates Nami Mugiwara version 2. And here is Nami. Let me just get her on a stand. Pretty easy. You can see there's a slight uphill for her. As expected, MegaHouse has done a very good job on the coloring. The paint job is very good. Sculpting is very clean. The material here used is pretty soft. Her hair is more harder. Look at the detail on her mark. The straw hat is pretty elastic. Yeah, it can move a little bit. As you can see, you can move it a little bit. And you have to watch this. Look at this. Very nice detail. Yeah, but just be careful. It feels kind of fragile. If I just do it this way, I think it will just snap. A very nice piece of figure. Portrait of Pirates Nami Mugiwara version 2.